Want to make viral AI DIY videos like this? I'll show you the complete process using ChatGPT and Google Flow.
First, use ChatGPT to create your idea, story, and complete scene structure.
Now ask ChatGPT to turn that idea into individual prompts for every scene. Next, open Google Flow and create a new project for your AI video. Paste your first scene prompt into Flow and generate the clip. The most important trick is consistency. Reuse the same character, environment, object design, and references in every scene. Generate your scenes separately, then arrange them together into one smooth story. Finally, add an engaging voiceover, captions, music, and satisfying sound effects. And that's it. ChatGPT for ideas, Google Flow for the video. Try your first AI DIY today.
What if AI could build a luxury home from just one cardboard box?
The AI starts cutting every piece with perfect precision.
Then something crazy happens. The entire structure builds itself.